Are there some core Joomla extensions that you're not using? Then just disable them and get rid of a bit of clutter. Let's look how to do that. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 310 here in the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, so if you're stuck or looking to hire someone to help you with your site or migration or something else, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. All right, let's turn our attention to the screen and we'll get right to today's topic. So Joomla has tons of features, but not everybody uses all of them, and their links remain as long as they're enabled. So if you're not using them, why not just put them out of the way? Here's how to do that. So in my last Maintenance Monday, I talked a lot about how you could control different aspects of the auto start feature in guided tours, but if you're not using guided tours at all, you can just disable them. Go to System, Manage Extensions, search for tour, and when you see that, just select everything. Now watch this little button up here where it says take a tour. Select all the guided tours. Make sure if you have another extension that got tours in its name, you don't want to disable that. But we've got the three that are here. We click disable, and look at that. Our button is gone from up there. If later on down the road you think, oh man, I want to do guided tours again, just filter for guided tours and enable. Let's do another one. Let's say down the left-hand side here, you're not doing anything with banners and you want to remove it. So we'll simply search for banner. Give a quick look just to make sure that these are the things that are related. It's the author's Joomla project and banners. Okay, great. We're not disabling another extension that has banners in the name. And we're going to go disable. And now when we check the side here, look, banners is gone. Same thing. If you want to turn it back on, go enable, and there's banners. Now you might be saying, Tim, what if I turn off something that's going to make my site crash? It's not likely, because watch this. Let's clear our filter, and let's go to filter options again, status, and let's look at protected. All of these core things in Joomla, there really need to be. They're protected. You can't disable them. And that should keep you safe from disabling anything that's really needed in the core of Joomla. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.